the 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.